Hey, it's Darren from innovationtraining.org. A number of years ago, I was doing a video like this about a tool from Google called NotebookLM, an AI tool. Most people think of Google Gemini, but this is a really good one. Essentially, you upload your sources. These could be things you've written, documents, whatever. You just add sources, and then it's going to kind of make the thing based on your sources, not pulling from all over, the internet, but your sources, right? It's going to cite those sources too. So that's what I like about it. So I've, uploaded, some books I've done, some articles, maybe slide deck, things like that, and kind of my complete innovation and design thinking stuff. And then you've got these choices. When I first demonstrated it, people were amazed you could create an NPR style podcast from your sources, and people would be talking about it. And it's gone to another level. Now you can also create a slide deck, you can create an infographic, you can create a video, right? So here's something that I did. Looks like 16 days ago I created a video. I just pushed the button and a video was created. I'll create another one here. Right, there we go. It'll start building it. But let's take a look at what it created for me. So I'll just hit play on this, and let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more and see what this is like, okay?
You know that feeling, right? You're looking at a problem and you just think, there has to be a better way. Well, that feeling, that's the spark of innovation. In this explainer, we're going to demystify that whole process. We'll map out the innovator's journey and show you how to turn that little spark into real-world action. Let's dive in.
Yep, it all starts right here. That little moment of frustration.
So I'll just
in this first part of our challenge, how things
skip
are,
around here. Let's see what it looks like.
pot of water that's slowly
It's pulling out some metaphors, very simple metaphors I like, stories I like.
a little here and there, but only 1%
Making things look pretty cool, little anecdotes.
adopting the right innovator's mindset.
It knows kind of my stuff is about the journey, mindset. There we go. So I'm just skipping around here.
Perfectionism, which is an absolute killer of innovation.
There we go. So I'm pretty impressed. It breaks out my main kind of framework, the simple design thinking, innovation framework for something quick.
But others are going through action that creates
There we go.
90%. You have to build some giant
It knows my big metaphor, the acorn, right?
Then you can grow.
And it's going.
Already exist. Practice, not some final destination.
There we go. So I'm pretty impressed at what it can create from the click of a button, and how it's really based on my sources, the stories, the metaphors that I share. It knows the good ones to pull out. So this is the video, and this is the tool. It's NotebookLM from Google. Give it a try.